Good day everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. This is Tailoring Made Professional, a channel that teaches pattern drafting professionally and also other tailoring tips. If you are finding this channel helpful, please do well to hit on the like button, subscribe button, and also share this video. Thank you. So today we'll be taking another different tutorial. Today we want to take tape reading, how to read your tape professionally like a professional fashion designer. So first of all, after getting a new tape, you launch your new tape and then you remove this iron here because it adds to the measurement. Yeah, so you remove it. This is what you see. Then after that, you have to trim this place off. So you trim it off like this to this very start point of your line, of this black line here. Yes, so this is a perfect start point of your tape. So first of all, let's read the tape together. This line here is your start point actually, but it's not among your measurements. Yes. This is actually the first, yeah, which is called 1/8. We have 2, that's the second line, the third line, the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and the 8th line. So this is 1/8. That's 1/8 because we have 8 lines that got to 1 here. We have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This 8 here means 1. So to begin with, so you could understand, we have first 8 lines. We have 8 lines that makes 1 inch. This one here, this first black line here, is not essential. It's just a start point. It is not essential. So we have this one here. That's the first start line, the first line, which is important. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 8 here makes 1 inch. So now let's read. 1/8, that is 1/8. 2/8, that's 2/8. 3/8, that's 3/8. We have 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which is 1 inch. So to explain further, you said if this first line here, which is 1/8, is still known as 0.125. Yeah. When you're making your calculations, your calculator will only give you those 0.1, no, 8.25. They will not tell you that this is 1 inch, 2 inches. No, is if you can read your tape professionally, that is when you actually understand that this is what this calculator is giving me. Okay, so now let me explain. This 1/8 you can see here is also known as 0.125. Then this 2/8, which is the second line, is also known as 0.2. Yeah, 0.2. Then this 3/8 is also known as 0.375. Yes. Then this 4/8 is also known as 0.5. Yes, it's also known as 0.5, which is also the half inch we all know. Yes. Then the 5/8 is also known as 0.625. Then the 6/8 is also known as 0.75. Yeah. Then the 7/8 is also known as 0.85. Then this 8, which is 8/8, is 1 inch. Yeah, it's 1 inch. Don't forget, we have 8 lines. The first line is 1/8, second 2/8, third 3/8, fourth is 4/8, also known as our half inch that we all know. Then 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and the 8 is 1 inch. So let me quickly show you a sample so we could know what we're talking about basically. So now let's say your bust is 33. I'll pick up my calculator. If your bust is 33 inches and you want to divide by 4, so 33, this is 33 inches divided by 4. Let's see what the calculator will give to us and how we can know it on our tape with our tape reading that I just taught. So now 33 inches divided by 4. You come here, 33 divided by 4. It gives me 8.2, right? 8.2. Okay, so on our tape reading, how do you call 8.2? 8 is actually a full number. 8.2. This is 0.2. So how do you call it on our tape reading? You call it 8 to 8, right? 8 to 8. That's 2 over 8. 8 to 8. Do you get? So let's give another sample. Let's say 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4. So you come here, 15 divided by 4. See? Gives me 3.75. But if I want to call it according to my tape reading, I will call it 378. You get that? 378. Let me show you on my tape what 378 is. This is 3. It's actually a full digit. 3. 78. This is 78. Don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see? Over 8. It is not up to 4. That is why it is called 78. That's 7 over 8. It is not up to 4. This is 3. The full digits. Then 8. 7, 8 rather. Because it is not up to 4. So now, let's take the last sample. Let's say 43 divided, or let's say 43.5. Yeah. Let's make it more critical. 43.5 divided by 4. 10.8. You see? 10.8. So what can you call this? 10.8. Let me show you on the tape reading. This 10.8, do you know it is actually 11? This is actually 11. Yeah, it's not just 10.8. It is 11 because it has the round figure 8. And don't forget, 8 means 1 inch. You understand? Your first line to the end, your first 8 lines makes 1 inch. Don't forget, your first 8 lines make 1 inch. So now we see 10.8 here. So it is actually 11 inches, not just 10.8. You get, it's got to the last inch. Let me show you here on my tape. You see? 10.8. This is 10 here. Don't forget. And this is 8. Don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's actually 11 inch, basically. Do you understand now? 10.8 then it starts as 10.8, which is 11. Yeah. So if you're finding this channel helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions to ask, you can also drop on the comment section and I'll get to you. I'll give you the reply, and please share this video. Thank you. So let me quickly take you back to the reason why I removed this iron from my tape, because some might be wondering that what's not the reason for removing this iron. It doesn't mean anything. You see, this iron, you know, when teaching this, I was talking about 1/8 to 8 to 8. So this iron could possibly add 1/8 extra to your measurement. And don't forget, we usually cut on fold. You understand? So imagine folding your pattern, or folding your yes, cutting on fold. Imagine folding on cutting on fold, and then this iron has added 1/8 to your measurement. So 1/8 automatically on the folded pattern gives you 2/8. You understand? At the front. At the back gives you another 2/8. So automatically it has added ½ inch. You understand? It has added ½ inch to your normal pattern. So imagine adding ½ inch to your measurement, to your exact measurement. You get, it will not go back to your exact measurement anymore. It will not be your exact measurement anymore. So that is why I usually remove this iron, because it extends my measurement. You see, it extends my measurement. You see how fat it is. But removing it gives you a smooth edge where you can measure and get your exact measurement without adding any any allowance at all. Yeah, if you're finding this channel helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button, the share button, the subscribe button as well. Thank you.